This is how you're going to add a custom contact form 7 in Elementor. So I'm going to start with going into my website editor in Elementor, and then from here we're just going to search for the shortcode block. So we're going to scroll down until we find the shortcode block. You'll find it right here. It's under the general section. You'll be able to find it right here with this icon. Now before we drag this, we're just going to search for the shortcode first. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a form in Contact Form 7 plugin in WordPress. So I already have I'm going to head over here. This is my contact form from Contact Form 7 or CF7. I already have my contact form available right here. What you're going to do is you're just going to copy the shortcode that they provide you right here. So we're just going to copy this one. Just make sure that you copy the full link or the full shortcode. So every time you create another contact form, it will appear right here. So you don't have to worry where to find it. You can just find it right here. Now we're going to head back to Elementor. We're going to drag the shortcode from the panel to the page, and then from here we're just going to paste the shortcode right here, and then after that we're just going to click on apply to update the changes into our page, and that's it. You can see the shortcode already right here from our CF7. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.